Look what I found at vintage stock. A Wartech with Legend of Zelda markings. Nowhere on the blade does it say Legend of Zelda, so it's like a Warncliffe style blade, Wartech logo, and model PWT319BL 3CR13 steel. I just did an everyday carry on this steel, and it lasted 8 hours, cutting up paper, cardboard, rubber bands and stuff, and only needed to be touched up once with ceramic rod for 20 strokes. This one has, I did check, they had two, and this one has no blade play. The other one did have a little bit. I know this is just more of a fantasy knife, but I will be putting this in the EDC vlogs. So we've got a liner lock that is just fine, perfect, not perfect, fine. I don't like the holes in the blade. I feel like food and stuff gets caught up in those. I'm not a big fan of the Warncliffe, but come on, Legend of Zelda. Lanyard hole, not a deep carry clip. It is tip up only, right side carry only. This knife was like $13, $12.99. Spring assist, sharpening choil, jimping on the blade, dual thumb studs, and just slightly off center. But I think it's just cool. My son's gonna have a cow when he sees this, I think. So, not the master sword, but pretty cool for a pocket knife.